How to add a logo to your Shopify store. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily change or add a logo to your Shopify store. Adding a logo helps build your brand identity and makes your store instantly recognizable, so here is how you do it. First of all, open the Shopify application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the Shopify homepage, look for your store, and once you're inside your store page, if you haven't completed all of this Get Ready to Sell tab over here, you can go ahead and look for Customize Your Online Store button, tap on it, and this will take you to the Online Store Customization page. From here, scroll down and open up this Theme Settings menu. Under Theme, click on Select right next to Logo. Now, make sure that you have a logo prepared for yourself. If you have it, then you can go ahead and upload it from your device's camera roll. Tap on Upload Image and click on either Choose Files, Photo Library, or Take Photo if you have a photo for your logo. Go ahead, select a logo and it will be uploaded in the Logo tab. Once it is done, you can click on Save at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, you have successfully uploaded your logo. Since I don't have a logo yet made, I've just uploaded this random patterns over here. If you have a logo prepared for your store, you can upload it right here using the same process I showed you, and finally click on Save at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add a logo in your Shopify account. Now your Shopify store will display your custom logo, giving your site a professional and branded appearance. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.